Hello guys, I'm back. I'm back with a new session, a new topic, quite interesting, quite informative. So I will mix up together and we'll create a new thing for you guys. All right. So in our past session, we learned about the different kind of process, then visual different kind of visual elements, then what is designing, and in this session we will learn types of design. Cool. So can we start? Yes, we can. So the first design I will talk about, look, there is a many kind of designs like the brand identity design, you can call it a motion graphic design. There is a mm, mm, branding design, there is a kind of a wall painting, illustration, uh, then costume design, film design, sound design. All right, there is a lot of kind of designing aspects. Today we will talk about few, like the visual identity graphic design, the marketing advertising graphic design, then the user interface, the publication graphic. Why? Just because of our topic is designing and our session is about graphic. All right, so we have to stick in graphic designing methodology. Clear? So in the beginning, what I will talk about, I will talk about visual identity graphic design. What is visual identity graphic design? Look, here identity means it's an identification of a brand. All right, it's yes, obviously, like we have a voter ID card as a what? As a citizen of India, right? So as a citizen of India, what we represent? We represent a voter ID card or Aadhaar card or passport, driving license. In the same way, a brand have to a brand identity, a identification that people can remember, like the Apple, all right, Mercedes Benz, BMW, Toyota. So all these different sectors. So look, this is my brand identity. He used in a business card, he used in a letterhead. So in branding, before branding or in the beginning of branding, you have to keep few things in your mind, like what is your brand and what is your brand identity. Who is your brand? You, me? No, right? Your brand have a specified identification of its own. Clear? So like the graphic design, in graphic design segment there is a visual identity design. In graphic design segment there is a marketing and advertise graphic design. What is marketing and advertising graphic design? Look, I have a business, I have to promote it. All right, through what I will promote? In a white blank page, and I will write, hey, look, I'm this kind of a business, I provide this. These are old fashioned, these are like outdated, right? So what we have to focus on, we have to focus on modern things that people can uh, you have to make your food in a such a way that people can digest it, or else people will not remember your brand, people will not give their importance. In the first topic I had talked about a topic, it's called attraction. You have to create something that attract people. Look, in marketing and advertising design, what kind of things we do? We create a kind of a flyers, then how my graphical truck will look like. All right, so how the standee will look like, how the posters will look like. So in example of marketing graphic designing, I mentioned few things under this section. It's called postcard and flyers, magazine and newspapers, posters, banners and billboards, infographics. This is called infographics kind of a stuff. Vehicle wraps. You can see the vehicle wraps, signage and trade show displays, email marketing templates, PowerPoint presentations, menus, social media ads, banners and graphics, banner and retargeting ads, images for website and blogs. Clear? So these few things we need to showcase, like to tell people, to tell my audience, look, my brand is alive. I have this. These few things makes your brand stay alive in the active market. Clear? So each and every topic we will learn, we will create a design. I will help you guys to create your portfolio, or else what is portfolio, what is the importance of portfolio, how portfolio help us. This is a different topic. I will talk about it later on. But yes, all this thing will be in your portfolio, like the postcards, the magazine, the poster, the infographics, the brochures, each and every single stuff. Clear? So let's come towards another designing aspects part. So in the first, what we have talked about, we talk about the brand identity design. In the second, uh, it's a marketing advertising design. The third, UI design, user interface, how the user interface will look like, how you will design, how you design your user interface according the human perspective, the audience perspective. All right, the look, it depends on like your business, what is your target audiences. In that particular way, you have to set your logo, the advertising, the UI. All right. So in user interface graphic design, what you will be learn, the web page design, theme design, WordPress. Like if I give you an example, like the WordPress of Shopify, etc. You know it nowadays. A lot of advertisement you see in YouTube and different social media site. Game interfaces, app designs, icon designs, a lot of. Clear? In fourth point, I will talk about publication graphic design. What is publication graphic design? Publication graphic design is like the book, the poster, all the stuff. Look, I'm a writer. Suppose I'm a writer. I write up a book, and that for like publicity, I need a front page cover. Because if I don't give a front page cover, my book will look like air. No, man. I want my book to look precious, something out of the box. I use this word too much, just because to uh, let you guys make more active. Yes, create something out of the box. Clear? So in publication graphic design, what things have we have as per example, look, the books, newspaper, newsletters, directories, annual reports, magazine, catalogs. Clear? So you will learn this aspect also. But you know what, before doing this thing, I want you guys to please research it. If you want this information, please take a print screen or a screenshot, because learn this thing, find this thing, understand the designs, go and research, because the more you research, the more you get, right? So if you want to know what kind of designs are there in the market, what you guys will be focused on, so please, if you want a print screen or screenshot or whatever information, or if you want it, I can mail you guys, no issue here. So yes, this plays a vital role in the present market. It's called packaging design. Look, before buying a single thing, no one knows what is in the box. Is your is your product is like original? Is your product is fine? No one knows, right? So how we buy product? We buy product through seeing the packaging and yes, the advertisement. But before that, no one have a single idea about the product, how it can be here. So product design is a very essential. Look, the packaging design, the way they design, it's a very unique. All right. So motion graphic, what is motion graphics? Motion graphic design is like there is a vector graphics or there are some graphics. There are motions. They comes in motions. All right. Suppose a logo. If this is my brand, if I use or this is my product, if I apply a motion graphics in this product, how it can look like. Suppose this bottle will come up with a slight glittery effect like bush boom phap करके आके गिरा. Then the text comes from the top like zoom, tok, tang, dik, 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 dak. All these text effects and the motions. All right. So in this motion graphic design, there are few of few things like we have to learn because in a daily basis in entertainment media in this field these things are like very important, very important because without this the film field is like nothing. Title sequence and credits, advertisements, animated logos, trailer, presentation, promotional videos, tutorial videos, website, apps, video games, banners. How how you will create everything in a only still graphics? No, not possible. Clear? So in this aspect there is a motion graphics design also, and art and illustration. It's a, I called it, it's a core creative part. Core creative part means all this thing, you have to think very differently. Graphic design, the t-shirt design, the patterns, the motion graphics, the stock, the graphic novels, video games, website, comic books, each and everywhere the illustration is very essential. In a comic book, there is a character who have a sword like this, and you have to illustrate the book. The book covers, picture, infographics. So guys, look, without designing, without graphic designing, the world is nothing. The world is dark, dude. Dark. You know why? Because each and every single stuff before selling, people advertise that. People showcase that in a multiple platform. It can be a social, it can be a offline mode, it can be a online mode. In any mode, they just promote their business. They just promote themselves. Yeah. So guys, please be focused on, look, in this initial period, you don't need to do any kind of any work. You just research each and every single design. What is it? What they are? How they look like? How we have to create that? That's it. And rest of the मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो. ठीक है? That's a my part to make you understand the softwares along with the designs. Your part to understand and digest the design, the concepts, what they are. Get the information, theoretical part from the internet or from any book. Read, guys, read a lot. In this field we have to research, cause we have to very precise in every aspects, in every single uh, place, in every single corners. So guys, please enhance your creativity. We will learn all these designing aspects with the tools, with the layouts, with the principle of designs, with the uh, theory of design. We will keep each and every single point in our mind and we'll work. Clear? So thanks for attending the session. I hope the types of designing part will be clear. So in our next session, what we will learn? We will learn the execution of the design. Clear? So thanks for attending the session, guys.